feel that British trains compared to other countries are more congested, smellier, kind of more like the actual trains are more cramped, and I guess we're known for having loads of delays, and that's not wrong, is it?
The cost is prohibitive and rises far too rapidly, and the cost is. I find the cost challenging.
It's insanely expensive, and there definitely needs to be a better strategy around it, especially for young people like students. Like, you can get a student rail card, but getting a third off like your transport is still like insane. Like, you can go to Manchester, get a third off, and it'll be like what, like 40, 50, 40, 35 pounds or something, which is like a lot of money. So yeah, there definitely needs to be better ways around it, I think, from the government.
I think that renationalisation of the railways could perhaps help to. I think it would make them more efficient for sure. I think it could, because it would, unify the kind of central goal of kind of sort of fares could be unified, and then also like a plan for the railways.
It wouldn't provide the incentive for improvement, because that was why they were sort of denationalised in the first place. Unless you were going to nationalise it and have the incentives to actually keep the work going.
I grew up in the 80s and it was pretty dire. And then I was a teenager in the 90s and it was pretty dire. But I think the landscape has changed. Now people expect a lot more from their trains than they did back then when it was nationalised.